Hello to all. In today's video lecture we see the sensors, the different types of sensors which are practically were used. Firstly, in first slide we see that a sensor is a device that detects events or changes in quantities and provides a corresponding output. The semiconductor as a sensor in slide where the semiconductors are used as a sensor. The semiconductor sensors type are semiconductor sensor are gas sensor. These are the types of semiconductor sensors. Also different optical sensors, light dependent resistance are the different optical sensors. The requirements on diode for sensors are operation with reverse bias, capacitance should be small, leakage current should be low. The applications of SI in sensing action, SI is silicon, where how the application of SI in sensing action is as shown in a slide. The semiconductor temperature sensors we see here. The semiconductor temperature sensors in form of ICs. They are a thin silicon wafer. Thousands of devices can be fabricated. The most popular are temperature sensors are AD590 and LM35. The basic principle of temperature sensor or a semiconductor sensors where these semiconductor sensors are relatively inexpensive to manufacture due to their simplicity and scalability. The specific sensors can be designed for particular applications. For example, a sensor can be designed for low concentration applications, whereas an alternative sensors can be designed for high concentration applications. The voltage output temperature sensors is as shown in slide. The temperature sensor module MCP9700, they need a source of power supply, effective linear output, low output impedance. The current output temperature sensors are high output impedance, need a input voltage source, constant current regulators. The digital output temperature sensors are fabricated with analog to digital converter on an IC, does not provide a standard digital surfaces, cannot be employed with standard measuring device. Resistance output temperature sensors are typical semiconductor manufacturing equipment, offer high tolerance to ion migration, needs extra care. The diode temperature sensors are uses regular PN junction diode, very cheap and very efficient, provides temperature coefficient of around 2.3 millivolt per degree Celsius. The semiconductor pressure sensors are absolute pressure sensor is as shown in slide. The next sensor type is differential pressure sensor. The different pressure sensors are as shown in a slide. The gauge pressure sensor and a negative pressure sensor are also different types of sensors. We show in a slide are the ultrasonic pressure sensors. Here the LED light emitting diode. The different ultrasonic pressure sensors are shown here. The working principle of ultrasonic. The types of sensors are optical sensors, temperature sensors, then semiconductor gas sensor. These are the different types of sensors. And now the working principle of sensor is, we see the here slide in optical sensors. For optical sensors, the light dependent resistance LDR is a type of optical sensors. The principle is, the light dependent resistance is an electronic component whose resistance decreases with increase in incident light intensity. This allows them to be used in light sensing circuits. The different photoresistance and photoconductor are used in LDR. So LDR is also called as a photoresistor or photoconductor. The advantages of these sensors are, these are the wide spectral response, having low cost and wide ambient temperature range. The applications of these sensors are, they uses in sensitive light operated relays and also used for infrared astronomy and infrared spectroscopy. These are the also used in consumer items such as camera, light meters, clocks, radio, security, alarms, street lights, etc. This is the types of sensors. So the next type we see in next video lecture. Thank you.